Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Facebook notifications and stop those constant event suggestions from popping up on your page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable event suggestion notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the account menu. From here, you'll see a list of the pages you manage. Click on the page where you want to disable event suggestions. Once you're on your page, look for the page's profile photo, usually located on the left side or at the top. Click on it to access your page's main menu. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. Now you're inside your page's settings dashboard, where you can manage everything related to your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Notifications. This is where you can customize what notifications your page receives. Under the Notifications section, find and click on Events. Here you'll see all the event-related notification settings for your page. Look for the option labeled Suggestions. This is the setting responsible for those event suggestion notifications. To turn them off, simply toggle the switch next to Suggestions so that it's disabled. And that's it. You've successfully disabled event suggestion notifications on your Facebook page. Now you can focus on what matters most to you, without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.